Welcome to FargoFX. It has been a long while since I put up a video. In that time, we've gone through some changes at FargoFX, a lot of them having to do with my family. Nothing particularly negative. It's actually, it's all worked out and it's been good, but it has taken up a lot of my time. With that said, hopefully I'll be getting back to a regular schedule of uploading videos. And as you can imagine, I have gotten way behind on subscriber builds. So in this video, I'm actually going to do about half of the ones that are waiting in the queue. And then in the next video, I will do the other half. Then I will get back to, hopefully back to a regular schedule. So I want to thank everybody for your patience. And because I'm going to be doing many at a time for the next couple of videos till I get caught up, I won't be able to comment individually on each of these. But I will be putting up the names and other information that people have sent me. If you emailed, information about a website that you have, or I think one of them is an Etsy profile, I will share that information. And also in the description below, look for any of that info if I'm not able to get links up in the video. So with that, we'll jump right into it. And I want to thank you all again for your patience. I'm thinking about trying a little music as background for these, but I'm not super big on music backgrounds. So if you don't like my sort of canned music that I'll be putting up there, you can go ahead and turn the volume down, watch it quietly, or maybe play your own music. So here we go. I hope you find these as inspiring as I did, and please enjoy the show. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks again for joining me. Thank you so much to those who contributed. And as I said, that was about half of what we have waiting in the queue. So the next video, I may do a build or something in between, or I may just jump right into the next video of subscriber builds just to get us caught up to where we are. So that's it for this week. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. And as always, whoever you are, whatever you're doing, have a wonderful time.